If you buy these, don't wet them and then turn around and blame me for it, okay? Do your own research. Done told you many times, this is entertainment only. This is a non-fiction, this is a fiction program. Logic and binary, we are back once again. We've got bone conducting headphones. Now, I had heard of this and I've never really paid attention to it. So when I saw it on the list of videos that we were making, I did get kind of excited. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, hey man, this is real. I've been real curious just to see how good these are. Now, I did a little bit of research, not too much, especially not specifically on these. It's orange to apples comparo when it comes to headphones, earbuds, and these. Not the same, completely different, or at least that's what my research has led to. So we're gonna find out. Really curious to see how good these work. And let's get some product info here. We're looking at the Kimwood. Finally, I can say it. Kimwood bone conducting headphones. Ooh, 2023. Upgraded open ear wireless Bluetooth sport headphones with microphone. 8-hour playtime, waterproof wireless earphones for working out, running, gym, hiking, and cycling only. You cannot use them for anything else. I don't know why they put that in the description, man. I think it's funny. I think it could have just been Kimwood bone conducting headphones and that would have been enough, right? But anyways, no knife needed apparently. These are open. Well, not open, but I really hate these type of boxes, man. There we go. Oh, okay. Moment of truth. You guys look first. I can't look. I must look. Okay. USB-C, 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 USB-C. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. That is a USB-C. That is definitely a USB-C. Score one for the Kimwood. Earplugs? Question mark? It's actual earplugs. I'm gonna have to put these on, am I? I swear to you, I think we started this channel just so Teacock could get breakfast every morning. Here you go, buddy. See, what you guys, I know a lot of people are wondering, like, and by a lot of people, I mean like two of you. I know you guys are wondering why I always say that Teacock eats these for breakfast. He literally does. He eats them, and that's how he reads. So once he eats it, then he inherits all that knowledge. Yeah, it's fascinating. I don't know, but he has to be on a full charge, so that's why I love USB-C cables. Okay, here we go. Voila, nothing else in the box. I'm not gonna throw the box, man, because I've been throwing too many boxes and I don't think people like it when I throw. Can I talk about the packaging, or is that not allowed? I don't like it. I didn't even look at the price. $19.99. Oh my god, that's great. $19.99. Are you serious? Wow. Hopefully there's enough charge in here to hook them up. I'm assuming there's going to be some kind of app for them. Oh, instructions: turning them on, connect the Bluetooth, turn on the power by hitting the power button, which is right there. I found the power button. It says turn on until the things turn red and blue. There it is, red and blue. Open your device's Bluetooth. Okay, so we're gonna do that. HS1 pairing. Oh, it talks. I should have just put these on. I did find out that these are IP67 certified, right? If I'm not mistaken. He'll double check me on that one. If you buy these, don't wet them and then turn around and blame me for it. Okay, do your own research. Done told you many times, this is entertainment only. This is a non-fiction. This is a fiction program. Water and sweat proof. But you know what's funny? In one of them, I was reading that it's got like a sweat sensor, and it'll tell you if it's sweaty so that you could take it off. But it's like, well, wow. All right, we're gonna put these on, and we're gonna see if the bones get conducted. All right, it's connected, so I'm assuming all I have to do is play music, right? This is weird. I feel it inside my brain. I want to see if there's instructions on exactly how they're supposed to fit on your head. There's not. Okay, so hat's coming off. Don't make fun of my hat hair. This is how I would put them on. If I didn't have any instructions, I would put them on like this. What I noticed right away, right off the bat, is that I can have a regular conversation. I don't feel like regular headphones, you know, they kind of just like block all your outside noise. But it seems okay. Like I can talk. I'm not yelling, right? Like you would with normal headphones. I cannot hear water. No, and I can hear you, but background. I don't know how to explain it. I didn't hear the last word that you said. I heard everything except the last word that you said. You kind of mumbled and it was gone. But everything else I could hear fine. And this is full volume. Oh no, by all means, headphones would be much, much louder. Oh yeah, no, yeah, with this I can essentially, man, I can be on my P's and Q's. It's like, this is like the perfect way to play music. That's why they say it's so good for running, cycling, and things like that. Because to be honest, like a lot of people, and I see this a lot, right? I don't run, obviously. You see people running or walking, even just walking out and about in the stores and things of that nature, and they put on their headphones, right? And they're just essentially, you're blind to the world. You can't hear anything that's going on behind you, etc. Me personally, whenever I'm listening to music or whatever, headphones on, I usually only put one on so that I could be cognitive, so I could be aware of what's going on around me. This isn't bad. I could see why you would want to wear something like this when you're out jogging, and then you wouldn't really have full volume. If I go like this, I could hear a lot better, right? So if it was a little tighter right here, I could hear it better, but then again, it might be annoying after a while. It might start hurting, I'm not sure. But all in all, sounds good. And then I guess here's the other benefit of it, because they're not going in your ear. I can just hand him over and he doesn't have to wash them or clean them or anything, just as long as he don't get all that Jerry curl juice all over it. I can tell you're listening to something, but I can't hear. I wouldn't be able to tell you what song you're listening to. Right? I think it has something to do with the fact that they're cheaper versions. And then, like, to be honest, if you're able to ankle them up a little higher, they kind of go around your earlobe thingy or your flap, whatever this thing is called in the front. No, it's about the same. Yeah, no, it's good, man. It's good because this is what it would be like after moving a while. They're just gonna be there. So you do hear they do tighten up when you move. So I'm real curious to see how these would work after a couple hours, whether or not they would start hurting or irritating the side of your head in any which way, shape, or form. But overall, I mean, this is great. Can you hear them? But you can't tell what it is, right? And that would be my normal volume. If I was somewhere like, let's say, like in the office or something, and I want to listen to something in the background or maybe a video on my phone while I'm doing some work, I would normally have it, probably at about that volume. Would you hear that now? Let me see if the mic picks it up. I think it is picking it up. I'm going to try something. Okay, hold on. Yeah, it's picking it up. So the microphone definitely does pick it up. You know what? But overall, quick product review. If I had to grade it for $20, oh man, for $20, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. I mean, USB-C. I'm not sitting here. So I did that because of the plugs. It does sound louder, obviously, but then you're completely erroneous to whatever is going on around you, and you can check to see if I use that word properly. Yeah, it kind of does. It defeats the purpose, right? But yeah, whatever. You never know. But look, USB-C, $20. It gets the job done. I honestly, I don't see how you wouldn't buy this. I'll give you a perfect example. So the Samsung buds, right? I use them, right? But after a while, they irritate my ears, right? So they irritate my ears. I clean them out regularly. What I did realize is that I started cleaning them out with wipes, with regular wipes, because it almost seems like if you use anything else to clean them, whatever that product is, it irritates your ears more. It actually dried out my ears when I try to use like a disinfectant wipe. So instead of using a disinfectant wipe, I'm using just regular wipes, and I maintain them clean. I clean them every day or so. I try to clean them every day. Of course, every now and then you miss a day, whatever. But I try to clean them every day, and I make sure I take off the little ear thingy and get in there really good. So that has reduced the irritation. But if you're having any such issues, this is a great for $20. It's a great not necessarily like a replacement or a backup. But I can't find the word. But I can't find the word all of a sudden. I'm misusing words and not finding words. I mean, just any situation, and instead of putting on the earbuds, put these on. Why not? I mean, I just take them off. I didn't realize I had them on. I turned off the music and I left them on, and so they're not uncomfortable at all. At least not for the short term. Anyways, that's my quick review. These are the Kimwood bone conducting headphones. There they are. You could also find them on Amazon. Once again, Logic and Binary, T-God, LBJ, QJ Sky without the bones.
Yeah, and we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof at all.